Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Saturday art class is hiring for training associate. Let us get to know about the job. This is us. Saturday art class was started in a grade 3 classroom in a local government school with a simple yet powerful intention to help build a safe space of expression within the classroom using a medium that surpasses all barriers, visual arts. It was started as a pilot project in 2016 with a classroom of 30 children. These very children, their voices, artistic, creative expressions, and their unique thoughts and ideas helped realize the vision of the organization, a world where all children are inspired to create with confidence. Their voices and expressions were so powerful that it gained momentum enough for our founders, Mansi Mehan, former teacher for Indian Fellow, and Chavi Khandelwal, an architect and arts educator, to build Saturday art class on the very idea that every child deserves a safe space to express themselves. Today we are a 10-member team certified as a great place to work, and together through our multiple programs, we have collaborated with 60 plus partners across 6 cities in India. We also advocated for visual arts and social emotional learning by reaching children across 7 countries through our digital resources. We have been grateful to have the Nudge Institute, Teach for India, Gather, ATMA, Gratitude Network and 100 to name a few to support us in our mission to provide children the access to visual arts during their formative years of education. TEDx, Forbes, LA India, India Today, The Hindu along with many others have supported our work and have shared it with the world. Teamwork makes the dream work, and our journey towards the dream is still a long one. So grab your paintbrush and join our team to make it accessible to children across India. To read more about our why, the work we do and impact created till date, visit this website. Here is all you need to know about what we are looking for in our training associate. We are looking to hire an exceptional training associate to join the Saturday art class team who will work with educators and other stakeholders, enhancing awareness, compassion, and creative outcomes for students across grades 1 to 8 to bring about a change in their personal interpersonal lives along with making a community impact. The training senior associate will work directly with the training manager to capture data and build and provide training to all the partner organizations to ensure the successful implementation of the Saturday art class curriculum. The training and impact senior associates detailed responsibilities are articulated below. This is a great opportunity for those who like working in a startup environment, enjoy training and monitoring and evaluation, and care deeply about enhancing the lives of children at the school and curriculum levels. This role includes data collection, analysis, research, and training. Now, key areas: training, research different training syllabi and framework, assist in making the year-long training scope, timeline, sequence and calendar for all relevant stakeholders for each partner organization in conjunction with details received from different partners. Research and implement training tools, templates, PPTs for all training sessions. Conduct trainings for partner organizations. Second is data management and research. Observe sessions of all partners to document best practices, areas of development to inform modification in training and areas of support. Implement observation and M&D tools for the training curriculum and ensure timely implementation of the same. Collect baseline and endline data for educator and student assessment. Research the different facilitation and training practices relevant to the sector. Conduct arts-based research throughout the year. Maintain partnership relations. Assist and attend a partner orientation meetings. Attend monthly partner meetings. Now here is the reporting structure. Create high quality, standardized communication and reporting templates for regular reporting. Communicate with the curriculum and the partnership senior associates on a daily or weekly basis to ensure transfer to responsibilities related to a singular partnership. Report to the training manager on a weekly basis. Now here are the experience and qualification required for this job role. 1+ years of work experience in a challenging, high growth environment involving teaching, training and facilitation. Undergraduate degree from a top tier institution. While there is no reference for a particular major or specialization, We expect to see a high degree of intellectual curiosity and sophistication, understanding of the education sector and or needs of children to develop creative expression and social emotional learning skills. Strong research skills to plan training sessions for educators and other stakeholders with an understanding of different contexts in SEL and art. Strong instructional proficiency, pedagogy, content and understanding of child and adult learning with the deep understanding of excellent student and facilitator outcomes. Inclination towards the arts and basic understanding of an education and creative practices. Excellent proficiency in Hindi, Marathi, English and Microsoft Office programs and Google Suite. Now here are the preferred skills. Ability to work independently, multitask and make strategic decisions in a fast-paced environment. Excellent proficiency in Hindi, Marathi, English and Microsoft Office programs and Google Suite. Track record of bringing innovative creative thinking and fresh ideas to an organization. Solid planning and organizational skills with high attention to detail, accuracy, protocol and deadline. Excellent writing ability that is clear, concise and analytic in style. Excellent communication, interpersonal and stakeholder facing skills including solid presentation and facilitation skills. Now there are some other details. Location is Mumbai, India. Compensation. The compensation is highly competitive with respect to the education sector. An indicative CTC is 3.2 to 3.7 LPA depending on the candidate's experience and qualifications. Now how to apply? Here is the form given. Kindly expect to receive an update within 2 to 3 business days after submitting your application. Note: immediate joining. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. After that, this Google form will open. Here they have mentioned interested applications are required to fill this form as part of step 1 of the application process. If your application is considered, kindly expect the following next steps to process further. Second step is pre-work round, third is in-person interview and fourth is facilitation round. And if you have any queries, you can email them also at this email ID. In this application form, you have to fill your email, full name, contact number, gender identity, current city of residence, role, as this role is training associate. Are you willing to relocate for your preferred role? This job location is Mumbai, so you have to relocate to Mumbai. Do you have an undergraduate degree? Do you have a master's degree? Do you have a minimum of 2 to 5 years of full-time work experience in any of the following roles? Then expected remuneration. When is the earliest you can join? What is the duration of the notice period? And how did you learn about this opportunity? After that, you have to upload your CV, resume, any questions if you are having. After that, you have to click on the submit button and submit this application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.